When you're ready to take a tissue sample, begin by documenting any additional visual animal ID numbers, if present, to the corresponding tissue sample unit number and tag. Ensure the tissue applicator is loaded properly. For Datamars TSTs, load as shown in this example.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this up. We're going to put that in there. We're going to make sure it's good and seated. Then we're going to take this part and put it over top of this so that when we pull that tag away, it stays, okay? So that's half. Then we're going to take the other half. One of the things that's important to do is to make sure that this half and this half are the same. You want to be sure that you're not putting half of one tag in and the other, okay? So we put this on there, we seat it, and then I make sure and squeeze it to see that it's going to line up. And now I'm ready to go capture the tissue of this animal.
Position the applicator approximately 1 inch from the edge of the ear. Avoid veins, ridges, tattoos, dirt, or manure. Squeeze the applicator handles together using a swift motion. Release and free the ear. With the sample complete, dispose of the tab marked "Remove after use" and prepare the applicator for reloading. Ensure the sample is appropriately sealed. Dry desiccant beads will preserve it. Add the sample to the provided box for secondary record or a sealed plastic bag or box for later shipment. Never freeze the tissue samples. Store the samples at room temperature and away from sunlight for up to 6 months. Next, it's time to submit your sample.